It's Wednesday evening, September the 30th, and Frankie has been prepping a area that we needed to get foamed in. We peeled back the bubbles in foam that we had and used a grinder to carve out the spaces that we needed to foam in, and then I used a Handi Foam product right here. It's a one-time use product, but it so worked out that I saved a half a container before, and if you switch the hoses to the new hose, I could actually continue spraying out. So anyway, so this is my foam project on the outside of Grants Pass. And we're gonna let it sit for a day, then we're gonna grind it down, grind the fluff parts off. And if we check over here, this is last year's foam work. Of course, it's dirty, but it's actually solid as a rock. So, and this is a much larger installation this time, but I don't have to worry about leaks this time anymore. That's a great thing for us. Anyway, hey, you know what? Here's a view of the backyard from the top. And that's it for today.